And here we have it, day 7. Thank you for walking on this journey with me. Today's practice I have a heartfelt connection with. It's called heart coherence breathing. And so far it's been very special for me. And this is kind of just the beginning of our breath journey around breath wisdom and applying it. Because what's wisdom if it isn't applied? What's functionality if it is not used in key times and regularly, so that we can create a new coding of us manifesting a life that is a life work balance, I like to call it. So in creating balance, the head's thinking a lot and we're used to that. We're not always priming ourselves with our heart connection and our heart resonance. And heart coherence breathing is a pretty special technique that has been narrowed down to a science of how, when we breathe for 5 or 5.5 seconds in and out, how that helps the heart vibrate at a really high frequency and connectivity. And then we're more heartful, we're more passionate. The heart and the head can meet in a place where they complement each other. So let's get into it. And before we do that, let's just once again take 3 sides. I hope you've been practicing this besides what we do during our sessions, because game changer to sigh. So closing your eyes if you wish to, breathing in, just sighing out anything that feels unsettled in you. And I welcome you to bring at least one hand to your heart center. And as you breathe in deeper, longer, feel that heart connection, breathing out, trusting the connection is always there. It's just priming it. It's just becoming more aware of it. And breathing in for 5. Out, 3, 4, 5. In, and out. In, out. In, out. In, out. And it's in and out through the nostrils. And 4 more breaths as you breathe in. Feel the heart opening up. Out. What am I passionate about? What is my calling? One more. Now coming back to your normal breath. What are 3 things that you're most passionate about? Three deeper breaths. Thank you for being present, for showing up. Well done. Congratulations on your 7 days of breath quest fulfillment. Yes, we did this together. And as you might have noticed, we also bringing in mindfulness. So we think more thoughts and we breathe more breaths and we influence ourselves with anything in our lives. When we overlap these two, we've got super powerful wisdom to optimize and to manifest in incredible ways what the legacy we are building is. The one thing that stands out, and I'm highly passionate to make available and launch after this, is my anxiety to inspiration game changer. So if you can relate to that, yes, I've had anxiety in my life intermittently. Recently, that's led to possibly being overwhelmed and feeling punch drunk and getting exhausted or not knowing where to turn. Do I support myself more or do I get more help from somebody else? Here's a really sleek way of how I help you to help yourself. And once again, in this group connection of us doing it together. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You are awesome. You've got something magical that no one else on this planet has. And I'm here to assist you because I've got people assisting me. I am where I am because I did not try to figure it out by myself. I, as a breath coach, can help you with mindfulness and breath practices that's really customized for you. Check out From Anxiety to Inspiration. There's the breath coaching, and there might be another surprise that I'll send as a link. Thank you once again. I invite us to go deeper. This is just the start.